Welcome to American Vibes. New York Attorney General Letitia James needs a judge to levi former President Donald Trump in civil contempt to the tune of $10,000 per day for allegedly flouting a judge's order to comply with her subpoena. In this video we will break it all down for you, but before we continue, please take a minute of your precious time to hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get the latest updates from us. This court's order was once now not an opening bid for a negotiation or an invitation for a new spherical of challenges to the subpoena, the legal professional general's assistant Andrew Amer wrote in a 26-page memorandum on Thursday. It was, rather, a courtroom order entered after full briefing and argument for the duration of which Mr. Trump should have, however, did not elevate any of the purported objections or assertions he has now raised. Earlier this 12 months on February 17, a Manhattan judge ordered Trump and two of his person children, Ivanka Trump and Donald Trump Jr., to sit down for depositions and have the former president furnish files responsive to her subpoena. The Trumps appealed that decision, and the lawyer conventional agreed to put their testimony on hold until that count is adjudicated. But James stated that Manhattan Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron made abundantly clear that former President Trump wanted to comply in full with the component of the subpoena in search of extra archives and statistics from him through March 31. But as a substitute then comply in full with the court's unambiguous directive with the aid of producing all responsive archives by means of March 31, Mr. Trump did now not comply at all, the AG's memo asserts. Instead, he served a response on the Office of the Attorney General elevating objections to every of the 8 record requests in the subpoena, primarily based on grounds such as overbreadth, burden, and lack of particularity. Mr. Trump in addition asserted, problem to his objections, that he would now not produce any files responsive to OG's subpoena due to the fact his assistants, based on search efforts that have no longer been divulged, may want to now not locate any such files, and due to the fact of his counsel's information and belief that if any such archives exist, the Trump Organization has them, and OG will simply have to wait till the Trump Organization completes its manufacturing to get them. Once the Choose had ruled, James noted, the time for deal-making had passed. James has been investigating Trump, his household and his enterprise for suspected fraud for years, alleging in courtroom archives that she has located proof that Trump might also have used fraudulent or misleading asset valuations on 6 residences to reap financial benefits. Trump has denounced the civil probe as politically motivated, however Judge Engoron rejected that argument, including that it would have been blatant dereliction of duty on the section of the legal professional general's workplace now not to inspect, as soon as his former fixer Michael Cohen accused Trump of cooking the books. Please, what is your take on this? And remember to subscribe as well. Thanks for watching.